Welcome on board the Ardmore Seavanguard. Today, we join together with the ICS, the International Chamber of Shipping, and the ITF, the International Transport Workers Federation, in celebrating and honoring the hard work and sacrifices of seafarers around the world. Approximately 1.6 million such seafarers, through their hard work, keep transport of goods such as fuel, food, and medical supplies moving around the world to facilitate global trade which never stops and ensure that the goods reach their destination safely and on time. Today, amidst this COVID-19 pandemic, and every day, we continue to do this without a break, making sure that all our efforts are done safely and seafarers all over the world complete their contracts and go home to their loved ones. Today, we join with all the seafarers around the world and all the vessels in blowing our horn for 15 seconds to express our solidarity with them. We hope you take this message to heart as we continue to service global trade around the world. Stay home, stay safe, and have a good day.